Hello, this is Christy from Christy's Classy Clips, and I'm going to talk about this leather flexi that has a separate stick, and they are used exactly like the flexi. Only difference is that with the flexi the pin is attached, and with this one the stick is separate. And I have an extra large, this is Dark Camel, and I just want to show you a size comparison. This is the large flexi, so they are pretty much the same exact size as the regular flexis, so that's what you can base your sizing off of. And this is going to be, a little big for me, but I can still make it work. And I'm just going to do a simple pony look here. So I'll turn around here and gather my hair in that pony. I'm going to put this right on top. I'm going to take that stick, go through the loop, bring it under the hair, and bring it back through the other side. And it's got my hair together like that. Very easy look. You're not using a ponytail that's going to be pulling on your hair. This is very comfortable. And with this flexi, you can use it both ways. All these leather ones do this. You can use it on the smooth side up, or you can do it with that stitching up and get a different look. That you can buy them with the stick or without. So if you happen to have a stick that would match this color of another one of these, you can just buy this separate without the stick and just use the stick for both of them. There are lots of colors. If you really like the leather look, when you're searching on my site, you can go to your area and it says like warm, different colors, and leather is one of the options. You can hit on leather and then it will show you all the leather options of every item that there is, and there's quite a bit. We've got some really cute looks, and a lot of these leather ones are in sets, so make sure you're taking a look at those sets too, because you can get a couple things bundled together and save a little bit of money that way, and try some different things as well. If you have any questions about these, please reach out to me. I hope you like this. They're very easy to use and very cute. Have a good day.